How to change Udemy password. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to log into your Udemy account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of Udemy. So in order to change the password, you need to first click on your account or the profile in the right upper corner, and you have to go through the account settings over here. After going through it, you'll be able to see all the informations of your account. If you want to change your email address, and then you can change your email address over here. In order to change your password, you need to enter your current password over here, and after entering the current password, you have to go through the second text box where you have to enter the password that you want to set, and in the third text box you need to retype the new password so that you won't forget it. After doing that, you have to simply go for change password option, and by doing this you'll be able to change your Udemy password. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.